In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a pivot table to group by a categorical variable and provide some summary statistics of a numeric variable. In particular, we are going to group by this variable, econ topology or economic topology. This variable is a type of specialization that a county in the United States may have. An economic specialization would be if a large part of the labor force were employed or producing in that industry. And we'll look at, there are 4 different economic topologies or 5 different economic topologies. And for each one, we'll look at the median rental price for a 2-bedroom apartment in that same county. I'm going to select my data. I'm going to create a pivot table by going to Insert, Pivot Table. The table data range will show all of our data. It's going to put this in a new worksheet. That all sounds good to me, so I'll click OK. All right, we have an empty pivot table. First I'm going to drag economic topology down to the rows box. Now I have my categories for economic topology. Then I'm going to grab my median rent to the values box. It's calculating the sum right now. That's not what I want. I would like the average of median rent. So I will click on that. I will click Value Field Settings, and I will change sum to average. Click OK. Well, here we go. We have one extra category here that's blank, but there's no data in it. We don't have any blank counties. I will remove that by clicking this downward arrow and unselecting blank. I will relabel this and say economic specialization. I will relabel this and say average rent, rental price. Here we go. So we can see here the average rental price for counties that specialize in federal state government is $1,062.54. The average rental price for counties that specialize in manufacturing is $1,151.17, etc. We can reorder these if we would like from largest to smallest. We'll just click on one of them, right click, click sort. I will sort from largest to smallest. So there we go. We can see recreation, in fact, has the highest average rental prices, and then the lowest happens to be state and federal government. And that concludes this video on creating a pivot table to summarize information based on a categorical variable.